Hey, Mary, it's good to see you again.
Hi, Randy.
Question. I mean, Weber Automotive, you know this stuff. You know, lots of times in order for folks to keep a warranty good on a car, they have to maintain the car. There's always this maintenance. Do good maintenance. Mm-hmm. What is good maintenance? How would you define that?
That's a really good question. So it's the manufacturer's required maintenance, which is listed in your owner's manual, which nobody ever reads.
Yeah.
But it's typically in the
this thick. You realize that the owner's manual's not.
Yeah, it's like the Bible, right? I guess it is the Bible for your car.
Well, it is.
Right?
It is. Yep.
Which is funny because when you come in to visit us, we're going to give you your receipt in this nice little folder, and we call it your autobiography.
Oh, I love that. That's great.
Actually, Jason came up with that.
I love it.
I can't take credit for that, so that's all him. So he's very creative like that. But these maintenance intervals are established by the engineers that designed and built your vehicle.
Okay.
So, and it's really important to keep on that maintenance schedule to keep your warranty in good standing.
Right.
You don't have to go to a dealership for that. You can come to us. Only go to the dealership if they're giving you free oil changes. Otherwise, come to see us. We also report to Carfax. So, if you're looking to sell the vehicle, then, if whomever purchases a Carfax report, then they'll see that everything's been done.
That's something you guys are handling, so that's just done. I mean,
correct. And we also keep those records in-house. And then we'll notify our clients when they're due for an oil change. We'll say, the manufacturer is recommending a brake fluid flush. You really need to look into.
So you're using their manufacturers.
Yes.
Oh, that's kind of nice. That's kind of a personalized, customized for my car, my situation.
100%. We don't just make this stuff up. There really is a guideline that we follow. Yeah, for sure. And again, we can manage everything for you. We keep all of our records in-house. We report to Carfax. Everything, is above board. And, following the manufacturer's maintenance schedule will ensure safer travel, which is that's the most important thing, right?
Yep, that's the goal, and to keep the car lasting as long as possible. That's
safe and reliable transportation.
And you know what? I for one, I tend to forget things, and I need to write notes myself. So it's kind of helpful to have somebody who's like looking after your car, and kind of you too. Really making sure. So Weber Automotive. They're great with cars. Apparently, they're great with words, too. Jason, that was good with cars, but coming up with, what is it? Autobiography. I love that. That's a great thing. So, hey, if you want your autobiography told and kept by Weber Automotive, stop in and meet Mary and Jason. So, Mary, thanks a lot.
Thank you.
This was a fun one.